After you have worked several of the LSI words into the page, there's one tool you would want to use to make your page even more relevant, and that is ntopic.org. Only a very small percentage of people who build affiliate sites seem to be using this tool right now. This is one tool you would want to use before publishing any page on your site. Let me log into the site now. I am now logged in. You would want to paste the article here and enter the page's focus keyword here, and then press this button, Update Score. The tool then displays a percentage after computing a relevancy score for your page. Before you publish any page on your site, you want the page to score at least 97% or more. In addition to the relevancy score, it also displays several keywords here on the right. Beside each keyword are two numbers. The first number is the suggested keyword density for that particular keyword, and the other number is the current density of that word on your page. If a page is not scoring 97% or more, you would want to add at least a few of these words on the right here and tweak your content until it scores 97% or higher. For our page, the relevancy score is 99.34%. The page is scoring so highly because it has all of the LSI words we found from Google AdWords Keyword Planner. The page now has all of these words, and that is the reason why it's scoring so highly. If a page does not score at least 97%, you would want to work these additional keywords into the page and increase the relevancy score. You do not want to publish a page that does not score at least 97%. What is being displayed now is how relevant the page is to the focus keyword phrase we have entered here. In addition to this, you can also see how relevant the page is to the main topic, which is twin mattress. You could say twin mattress is the main topic and best twin mattress for adults is the subtopic. Let's do that now. Let's change the text in this text box to twin mattress. And let's update the score. The page scores 99.57%, which is really good. This is mostly because of all of the LSI words added to this page. One thing you would want to know about this tool is that each time you press this button, it costs you a credit. So, you do not want to press this button too often. After the initial evaluation, you would want to work in all of the words you can into the content before you press the button a second time. If you take the time to do this and work in all of the additional words into your page will end up being very, very relevant in the eyes of Google. And if you are targeting low competition keywords like we do, it will very likely end up ranking in the top 10 with no external backlinks. So, the time you spend making your pages more relevant will actually save you a lot more time that you will not have to invest in building links. By targeting low competition buyer keywords and making your pages very, very relevant, you will not have to spend a lot of time building links, and that time can be invested in creating more content. Sites built this way can easily survive any Google update because the content is very good and external links that can harm a site do not need to be built.